Hey everyone, I'm back with a fresh new productivity pro tip today. We're exploring Microsoft Forms for getting on the feedback fast track. But first up, I'm Kat Schneider, Power Platform developer here at Insight, and your productivity pro today. I've got almost 15 years in the public sector trying to find new and innovative ways to use the various Microsoft tools available. My passion for and curiosity about data has led me on a journey of continuous learning and growth. And it's that passion that I share back into the Microsoft communities and here with you today. So let's get started. Picture this. Your team needs quick input from all employees. The information needs to be in Excel in a specific format, but no one has time to compile every response received into a single document. So what's a productive person like yourself to do? Here we're in a SharePoint for Teams document library. I want to add new forms for Excel, add a title and click Create. Forms opens in a new browser tab. Now I can start adding my holiday potluck questions. Once done, I can click and drag to rearrange the question orders. So I can then add question branching to redirect a user for specific responses. I can go back to the top to update the name, add a theme and effects, view a preview of the form, and set up response options. When done, I can send out via email and Teams to the whole organization. And I can even get notified when deadlines are approaching and need to send out a reminder. Now that it's sent, head back to SharePoint, open the Excel doc that was created, and see all of the fields from our form have populated as columns in a table. Once responses are received, they drop right into my table without any extra effort. And there you have it, the beauty that is Microsoft Forms. It's not just a tool for collecting data, it's a pathway to effortless and more productive data collection. With SharePoint for Teams and Microsoft Forms, respondents don't even need access to your site or your team to participate. Now, if you found today's productivity pro tip helpful, imagine what more we can do to streamline your business processes and workflow. Here in development at Insight, we specialize in converting Excel processes into robust Power Platform solutions. If you're ready to elevate your business's data game, contact us for your next Excel to Power Platform project. Now, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks, and we'll see you in our next video or webinar. Thank you.